Hello. In this video, we'll try to understand the concept of friend function in C++. Now, if you have not watched my previous video where I have discussed the concept of friend class in C++, I would highly recommend you to watch that video first before watching this particular video because this concept is very similar to the concept of a friend class. So now let me explain the code that I've already written. So I have a class over here called as demo, which has a private variable. And then there is a function outside the scope of that class, which accepts the object of the demo class as the argument. And using that object, I'm trying to access the variable. And in the main function, I'm creating an object of the demo class, and then I pass that object as an argument to the function. So now if you have noticed that there is an error over here, and if I check what the error is, it says that the variable is inaccessible. Now, why this particular variable is inaccessible is because it is a private member of the demo class and it is not accessible outside the scope of that class. Here, what we'll have to do is we have to mark this particular function as a friend of the demo class. So how I can do that is use the friend keyword and then specify the function along with its argument. And yeah, so now if you notice, I have marked the function as a friend of this particular class. And the advantage of a friend function is that a friend function has access to the public, private, and protected members of the class in which it is declared as a friend. So now since function has been declared as a friend in the demo class, it has access to the private, public, and protected members of the demo class, and that's why it's now okay to access the private variable inside this function. But if I comment this line, you'll notice that the error will appear once again. So yeah, here it is. So it is essential to mark that particular function as a friend if you want to access its private member. So this is the concept of friend function in C++. I hope this helps. Please share your thought in the comment section. Thank you.